In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Discord. We're going to set up a simple automation so that whenever a new item is added to a Notion database. To do this, we'll create a Zap with Notion as the trigger, using new database item and Discord as the action, using send channel message. Then we'll map the Notion fields, like title and URL, directly into the Discord message body. Begin by creating a new Zap. For the trigger app, choose Notion and select New Database Item as the event. Pick the database you want to watch. If you are prompted to connect Notion, approve access to the specific workspace and database you plan to use. Pull in a sample record so you can see the available fields. Make sure your database includes a title and a URL you want to share, whether that's a dedicated URL property or the item's link. Give your Zap a clear name so you can find it later. Next, set up the action. Choose Discord and select Send Channel Message. Connect your Discord account if asked and select the server and channel where updates should appear. In the message field, build a clear, readable post. For example, you might write, New Notion item, then insert the mapped title field. Add a line break and paste in the mapped URL field. You can add a short label before each field and include emojis or formatting to make the message stand out, while keeping it concise. If you see other Notion fields you care about, like status or owner, you can include them as plain text for extra context. Use the built-in test to send a sample message to your chosen channel. Check that the title appears correctly and that the URL opens the right page. If the message looks cluttered, adjust the spacing or labels in the body until it reads cleanly. When everything looks good, turn the Zap on. From now on, every time a new item is created in that Notion database, your selected Discord channel will receive an automatic message containing the title and URL, keeping your team informed without manual copy-paste. Keep your database properties consistent to ensure smooth mapping, and verify that the bot has permission to post in the channel you selected. If you ever change your database structure, revisit the mapping to keep messages accurate. Thanks for watching.